Hey there, thanks for stopping by. This week I'm going to be making a bottle opener from a piece of pecan. Stick around, we'll get started. Alright, so the bottle opener today is going to be using one of these inset openers that you can get from Rockler. Actually, you guys can see that. So what I'm going to do, let me grab a marker real quick, is basically turn a, I don't know, a globe on one end and then a handle down here. So we should end up with a shape that's slightly larger than the opener and tapers down to a handle that you can hold. I'll then go to the bandsaw or the sander, we'll see which one which, and sand off or cut off one side of the bulb to make a flat spot to mount the opener. So let me gear up, and I'll start with a rough and gouge and we'll turn it down to round. Okay. So, as long as this there's enough room for that to fit, we're okay. So what I'm probably do is kind of make a dome and make the handle out this way. So let me grab. Actually, I'll probably start with just the same spindle roughing gouge I've been using. Just knock down the diameter here to make it close to handle size. And then I'll take a spindle gouge from here to work on making like a sphere. I need to go sharpen my tools. There's a reason we call it Pecan. Once it's dry, it is tough on tools. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay. Turned out all right. Let me go ahead and part this off, and I'll take it over to the bandsaw probably. Yeah, that'll work. Take it over the bandsaw. Okay, I've got the opener mounted in a hand clamp. I've got it set so that when I cut this, it won't be a slice straight off the side. It'll actually be at a slight angle. You know, when you're holding a bottle opener, you don't want it to be perpendicular to it. You give it a little bit of an angle. So, you'll see. So that is a decent fit. I'm going to take this over to the belt sander, and I will smooth it up, knock off that nub and the little nub at the other end. Okay, in order for the bottle opener to sit and set into the opener, I need to drill two holes, two shallow holes. One 2 inches, which will accommodate the outer diameter, and one 1 1/8 inches, which accommodates the cap, so that there's room for the cap to go into the opener when you lift it. So let me go ahead and drill these about as close as I can get to level. Okay, let me get a pocket knife and I'll clean some of those little slivers out, and we'll get this mounted and give it a try. I'm also probably going to sand and finish this as well, but I'll do that off camera because it's just hand sanding. Back in a bit. Okay, once you get the finish on it, the last thing to do is to mount the opener to the handle. I just pre-drilled the screws so that they'd be easy to insert. And again, it's Pecan concrete, so just driving the screw is not going to happen without stripping it. That is that. We are good to go. Grab an adult beverage and give it a try. And there we go. Works great. Thanks for sticking with me. I try to put up one of these about every week or so, so hopefully I'll see you next time. Take care.